Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn inverse trigonometric functions together, step by step. Inverse trigonometric functions answer the question, which angle has this sine, cosine, or tangent? To make the answer unique, we restrict each to a principal value branch. Since sine repeats, many angles share the same sign, so it isn't 1, 1. We restrict its domain to a chosen interval where it is 1, 1. Only then can we define a single-valued inverse. These are the principal value ranges. Inverse sine returns an angle between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2, inverse cosine between 0 and pi, and inverse tangent strictly between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. Find inverse sine of 1/2. We need the angle in the principal range whose sine is 1/2. That's pi by 6, since sine of pi by 6 is 1/2. For inverse cosine of minus 1/2, we need an angle between 0 and pi. Cosine is negative in the second quadrant, and cosine of 2 pi by 3 is minus 1/2. So the answer is 2 pi by 3. A few properties save time. Inverse sine plus inverse cosine of the same x is pi by 2. The same holds for inverse tangent and inverse cotangent, and inverse sine is an odd function. To recap, inverse trig functions return the angle, restricted to principal value ranges, so the answer is unique. Remember those ranges and the complementary properties. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.